Al-Jazari from the 30th of the 7th month of 1446. Al-Jazari led societies to embrace the machine. The desert folk are much more efficient at nourishment and being clean. Minor improvements are all that some can do. The scene can take much maintenance, but that determines what is most practical. Prohibition is not the same as desires and functions of the physical. If it has been done before, extend the cultivation. The plants are for our good and that of the other animals. Bring in the comfort for the effects of an intellectual. The parts are worked on with a whole, and that is good for the soul. And his full name was Badi'u Zaman Abu Izeh benu Ismaila ben al Razazeh al Jazari. And he was known for his miniature paintings as well, but mostly because of his inventions of machines and his working on waterways and that sort of thing. So he was more than just an engineer.